We're up at Broome now. We're not sure where we can go fishing and diving, so there's only one expert to ask, Malcolm Douglas.
Just out from where you'll camp, go out there 500 or 600 metres. You know, only about 9 or 10 metres of water. Look, you get, well, we've got a big barrow there, you get a lot of cooter. One day it's been hot, the next day it's been cold. That's why they call it fishing. They don't call it catching.
We're heading out to Mackerel Island today. Apparently you get some big Spanish mackerel. Yesterday we did okay, we got a small shark. It's always good trawling where you don't know the water, you just don't know what you're going to get. We're now about 900 k's north of Perth at a place called Shark Bay, which is famous for the dolphins at Monkey Mire. I've just got to wait for Jeremy because he's always out doing something.
You got 2 seconds and I'm out of it, mate. Just heading off to our dive spot, seen a massive school of either mackerel or tuna splashing through the water. Gordy's got the trawling rods out, we're going to get onto them.
Starving.
This one's just taking a run. Have a look at me rod. It's only 20-pound line. I don't know how I'm going to get him in. Who's that rod at the back? Oh!
Good work, it.
That's the one. Whether we land him or not, it's been a hell of a fight. Oh, we just got him. He's going to be angry. I think I've got a broken toe. Definitely broke. We're not the best fishermen in the world.
We don't claim to be.
But we've landed this one, and he's not small.
This is called the D grey mangrove northwest turtle. It doesn't like getting up in the morning.
What are you doing?
One goat, that's what we came here for, just a little one. We don't waste any of the meat, we use all that meat for our curry. And bang, we got dinner again.
This here is our didgeridoo. This come from here. It's the same principle.
We get down on the boat. I was doubting myself, I was doubting Gunny, doubting the whole bloody world. Oh boy! There he is, got his salmon. As usual, myself and Zed provide the food, clean it, and we'll cook it. We're in Exmouth, done a bit of trawling, done alright, got a few tuna and that, and we're just looking for a spot to dive. Aeroplane Jerry! I feel a little bit sorry for Bird actually. He's been diving for about 3 hours now. Reckons his spear's bent. That's why he hasn't shot nothing. I got enough for both of us anyway. Doing a good job out there, big birder. That's how we do it in the northwest.
This is a big queenfish.
Woo. What a day. Golden trevally, northwest snapper, big Spanish mac right there.
You know you had them on the line.
I was speared them all.
I speared them.
Yeah.
You do well then to get down there with a snorkel and a mask.
And fight the sharks off on the way up. We got the better end of the deal. Homemade biscuits.
Spanish mackerel.
Oh.
You don't mind?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll take it up to the old camp range with the bloke that looks after us.
Yeah, no worries.
Thanks, mate.
Catch you later. Enjoy the fish.
We will.
Thanks very much, fellas.
We're going to make you up a bit of a feed. We've had a dive today. One crayfish for entree. Just going to take these wings off it. So you got your onion there ready to go, chilli, garlic. The big ones are a little bit too tough. This is a good size to eat. Turn that cray. Here we go, a 5-star meal at Quandong Point. We've got the mud crab Quandong rolls, Oki done in the balsamic vinegar, and we've got our cuttlefish right here. And that's it, the denim snapper wok toss meal.
All that yellow there, that's omega-3 oil, see?
Go on, Jip.